It says, give me a typo and I'll give you a poem.
So if you give me a word, I just wrote a poem for a 16-year-old cat called Hugo. I'm not sure what Hugo thinks, but hopefully he gives me a round of applause.
Did we get a poem about a dragon?
Oh, I can write one. Is the word dragon? Yeah? Oh. Dragon. It sits upon its gold beneath its scaly chest, ready to bestow wisdom and put bravery to the test. So fierce and majestic, knight's armor left buried beneath thieves who tricked. For the dragon will take flight throughout the night, and it is often feared by many. All it wants is to collect your precious pennies. Can you keep that one there?
It's all very good.
Oh, I'm glad you like it. No problem.